Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing another TM MP5 next gen recoil. This one has a level 4 build, and it has actually it's got a slightly bit more. It's got the EagleSix upgrade spring, M105, quite a strong spring on this one. We've got the Prometheus tightbore barrel. We've got the Prometheus piston head, the Scar version. So the Prometheus hard gear set that they do, the Prometheus 6mm bearings, the Firefly hop rubber, the Prometheus Flat Nub, and that's it. So not too much extra. I mean, basically you can pretty much change everything on these except from the tappet plate, the air nozzle, and the spring guide. So everything else is pretty much parts available for. So we're still investigating a lot of the bits and bobs, so we've obviously kept it to this one, which I think is quite sensible, while we're awaiting for just a bit more time of maybe availability on these products, because obviously everything that we've had come in has instantly gone straight out the door. Obviously we'd like some sort of availability on these, a few in stock, before we start playing around with doing all these cool, interesting, big, crazy builds. Obviously the MOSFETs in these, it's really important that people don't break these MOSFETs and just keep them going. Obviously we can do some basic repairs on them, but if you set these things on fire, they're not coming back from that. But yeah, I was just ready for test now. Obviously I'll put all the FPS details in the description, but yeah, we're ready to go to get some rounds down range. I could even put a mag in there, that would help. Obviously the SD6 versions of this is coming out soon. Obviously Tokyo Marie's announced that, and then you can pretty much expect every sort of month or two there and after for them releasing variants. So obviously at some point we're going to get the SD5, at some point we're going to get an A4, and we may get an A4 variant with torch, may or may not, or then maybe they do it as an accessory. We're probably going to get an MP5K version of this at some point. Obviously I'll be very excited about a K if they do a K with a recoil system, because it's going to be tiny, which means that momentum is going to affect it more, which means it's just going to be like, yeah, it's going to be good. So looking forward to that K if they do decide to do that. They're quite odd guns. I found that you do have to sort of bring them up quite high and really get down low on them, and you're quite compact, which I guess is the point. So, but yeah, lovely. Cool. All right, that's all tested, and if you have any problems, feel free to let us know. But hopefully everything's all good and ready to go, and you get to enjoy one of these after such a wait, because it's been quite a long wait for everybody, and we're glad we can finally start sending these out. Obviously for anybody wanting the next batch, we're probably not going to be doing any pre-orders on those until we know for a fact that we've secured some and they're going to be coming towards us. So yeah, last little batch for a while, but obviously we've got the Sega and the SD6 coming out, and I'm sure we'll get some on order when they do. So cool, enjoy.